Oh, truck! Truck!
Is it coming towards us?
I can't see it. I just hear it. Oh, yeah, it's coming straight for us.
Get in the trees.
It's coming across country.
Okay.
Oh no, oh, it's
Two of
DC.
them.
There's 2 trucks!
Okay, so stay
Okay, they're
cover.
heading. Yep. Wow, 2 trucks. How cool is that?
Tree truck.
Take them on. Take them on.
Oh look, shall we? Let's ambush him. Let's ambush him.
They're in the petrol station.
Yeah, let's ambush him.
They've actually
Are they
pulled
coming
into
up
the
a
petrol
petrol?
station. Yeah.
Brilliant.
Are we going to shoot from here,
That's
Tim?
fucking-
Yeah.
Okay.
That's fucking
Wait for it.
hilarious.
Oh, my breath, come on. What do you reckon the range
How many
is?
are there?
Shut up, Harry, we're concentrating.
200?
200, yeah?
Well, that's my guess. You
He's just dicking around, I'm gonna take a shot.
go for it.
Got him.
Is he down or?
He's down.
Nice one. Maybe put another shot on him. Oh, the other guy's out.
Yeah.
Nice! Yes!
Let's go. Let's go in, finish him off. That is what you call an ambush.
That was good. 2 trucks taken down.
We've got 2 trucks
Right,
now,
this-
Harry.
Awesome.
Although they filled up, hopefully they've got gas.
Is one of these are the
You took-
3-seater trucks?
Oh yeah.
No, you should do one each.
Yeah, definitely. You shoot that one, I'll shoot this one.